Hey up guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this absolutely stunning MT-09. It's an ABS version and it's beautiful, really is. Anyway, I'll give you some facts and figures first. It's a 2016 on a 66 plate. It's done 6,922 miles. Extras wise, well, first of all, seat cowl looks mega. Aftermarket levers, got some protection just on the sides, double protection, some carbon fibre parts. The aftermarket exhaust system there as well. It's a full system that you always have on an MT-09, Lextec on this occasion. The actual rear section itself will come standard because it's got integrated indicators. You can't have that anymore, especially on an MOT, but you will get all the parts that are on the bike itself. We've got the carbon hugger there as well. It's just a lovely bike, a few extra bits and bobs on it as well. Got the screen protector carbon front mudguard. Honestly, every time I look at it, it's something extra. I'll give it a quick turn on so you can hear it. Sounds an absolute beaut this, and with that exhaust system it's also got a full custom map on it, so it's running sweet as a nut. Anyway guys, you've seen this absolute beauty. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, simply just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.